Hello, my name is Charlotte from Oldham Volkswagen, and today I'll be taking you around this used vehicle. Introducing the 2020 model BMW 1 Series Sport that is fresh in stock. It does come complemented in the modernised grey paintwork, alongside housing your 1.5 diesel engine and efficient auto transmission. It is the ideal upgrade for those wanting to cover extra miles. Packed with plenty of top features, including enhanced visibility with your automatic LED headlights. You do also have 17-inch double-spoke alloy wheels, parking sensors, and for further protection, power folding wing mirrors. The boot does offer plenty of space for daily essentials, whilst the part cloth, part leather upholstery offers comfort all round, with access to your central power outlets. Moving into your front, you do have your multifunctional leather steering wheel with access to your central display, navigated using your central BMW controller. You do also have seamless navigation around the vehicle with your various audio controls on the steering wheel, alongside your options to navigate around your cockpit display, including your various radio stations for endless entertainment. You do also have your speed limiter and cruise control to assist out on the open road. Moving across, you do have access to your built-in navigation system, ideal for those who love to explore or find themselves in unfamiliar areas. This does also come with your traffic updates. Of course, you do have your wide selection of radio stations alongside your Bluetooth connection to listen to your own preferred audio or make hands-free safe phone calls. You do of course have your on-screen and vehicle information, which does allow you to easily keep an eye on the overall condition. Alongside your driving information, you do also have your service requirements. This does also include the service history, so you can be rest assured it has been well maintained. You do also have all of your general settings alongside your owner's handbook and various driving profiles to store all of your preferences. Of course, you do have the activation of your parking sensors when you are manoeuvring to guide you into those awkward manoeuvres and does reduce the chance of any minor bumps. And for enhanced performance, you do have your drive performance control with your Eco Pro and Comfort modes. This does allow a more efficient drive if you do select your Eco Pro, and this is followed just below by your main climate controls for a desired temperature, including your 2 front heated seats to keep you and your front travelling passenger toasty warm in the winter, alongside your central cup holders, navigation system and storage. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video tour. For any further information regarding this vehicle, please contact our friendly sales team or inquire online now.